Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're talking about something super relevant. Social media,
Social media is everywhere, and it's important to know how to talk about it in English.
Yes. Whether you're posting pictures, chatting with friends, or watching videos, you'll need the right words and phrases.
So, grab your phone and let's dive in. Let's start with some basic terms. Emma, do you know what post means?
Is it when you share something online?
Exactly. A post is anything you upload to social media like a picture, video, or text. Here are more basic terms. Like ***, when you click a button to show you enjoy something. Comment ***, a reply or opinion you write on someone's post. Share ***, when you send a post to other people or share it on your own profile. Follow ***, to subscribe to someone's updates.
Oh, I like posts all the time. What about the different apps and platforms?
Good question. Here are some popular ones. Facebook ***, for connecting with friends and sharing updates. Instagram ***, focuses on photos and short videos. Twitter ***, for short messages called tweets. TikTok ***, popular for short, creative videos. YouTube ***, for watching and uploading long videos.
I use Instagram to share pictures. What about you?
I enjoy YouTube for learning and entertainment. Now let's look at phrases you can use. Can you like and comment on my post? I love your recent story. Follow me and I'll follow you back.
These phrases are so helpful.
And when you're messaging someone, you can say, "Did you see my message on WhatsApp? Let's create a group chat. I'll send you the link."
Alex, how often do you use social media?
I use it every day, mostly in the evening. What about you?
I check Instagram in the morning. I love watching stories.
I check Instagram in the morning. I love watching stories.
I follow travel bloggers and fitness influencers. Are there rules for using social media?
Definitely. Here are some tips. Be respectful ***. Don't post rude or mean comments. Give credit ***. Always tag or mention people if you use their content. Stay safe ***. Don't share personal information like your address. Use hashtags wisely ***. Keep them relevant.
I'll remember these tips.
Social media has its own language. Here's some slang. DM ***, direct message. ***, laugh out loud. OMG ***, oh my god. BRB ***, be right back. Viral ***, something popular and widely shared.
I've heard viral before. It means something everyone is talking about, right?
Exactly. Here are some advanced words. Algorithm ***, how social media decides what you see. Engagement ***, likes, comments, and shares on your posts. Influencer ***, someone who shares content and influences followers.
I want to be an influencer someday.
That's it for today's lesson on social media vocabulary.
We hope this video helps you feel confident when talking about social media in English.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Speak English Basics.
And share this video with your friends. See you next time.